Previously on Sailho, we discovered that sailing truly does mean happiness, whatever the conditions. Just look at the smile and listen to the joy. So we decided to buy a small boat of our own. The search began and it soon became clear that the choice was huge, unlike our budget. But in the end, if you look hard enough, you will find that there's a boat for every pocket. We found the answer to our dreams in Falmouth, England, a Hustler 25.5. Of course, if you were going to start sailing independently from the UK, we will need a few courtesy flags. The bare minimum: Scotland, France, Ireland and Netherlands, and Belgium. And of course the Polish flag, to represent our home country on the port route wherever we go. Oh, hello Kotek. We bought the collection of flags on Allegro, the Polish eBay. In total they cost just 67 zł, around 16 euro. Anyway, off to Cornwall in Falmouth. Quite away from Kraków in Poland, but every journey is an adventure.
Our first step. Yeah.
My first lesson: airport security don't like you filming, so I had to delete the footage I took there. We are flying Ryanair, which is why Anthony is in the queue over there. It costs extra to guarantee seats together, and we would rather spend the money on our boat instead of lining the seat and make honorary pockets.
Exception process for emergency ropes. For 1 ABC 16 and 17, clear road to the end. Once you take your seat, please wait from the...
There in the distance are the Tatras. Mountains are my other passion, but this was the first time I had seen them looking so spectacular from the plane window. Our journey takes us from Kraków to Bristol, then by road to Plymouth, Truro and finally Falmouth, on about 12 hours in all.
Hello, Jonathan.
Hello. Hi, David.
Hi.
Our friend Jonathan and Nicola agreed to help us when we go to view the boat. They have a lot of experience of sailing and are certainly more knowledgeable about these things than we are.
Bye.
You're going to eat the cabbage while we're away? We'll send you postcard. Yeah, send your postcard.
The boat we are going to view is on a floating pontoon next door to Falmouth Premier Marina. Whether the tide is in or out, there's no way to reach her without a dinghy. At least not if we won't drive it.
Germany and
The wind is too strong for sailing today, but that doesn't mean we can't inspect the boat properly and run final check on the pontoon. We'd already received a lot of information and report from owners and the agent. And where is she? Amneris. Maybe blue isn't my favorite color, but already she is my favorite boat. Even her name is beautiful. And she may be small at 25 and a bit feet, but there's nearly 8 meters of freedom right there.
Don't know anything.
No, well, I don't
have
know
only,
much. Jonathan knows
we
more
had
than
only
I
on
do.
paper things, and it's the survey. Anthony read
survey's good.
everything, and it was something labeled.
And these are obviously these two gentlemen are obviously really knowledgeable, capable sailors, do you know what I mean? So they've,
Yeah.
I think they're the kind of people who would have kept it nicely. That's my immediate impression of them, that they're proper.
It looks like they didn't think about sailing. They didn't something repair. I wanted to survey. Wanted to sail on it. So on her, she.
John's like a GK24, lightweight.
I think all that. This is what we're looking for. That feels nice.
Jonathan showed us what to look for and helped us examine the things we needed to check on board. We would probably have mixed half of it without his advice.
Please, just you go look, dig what happens. If you...
Our initial amateur impressions were bright inside, slightly narrow, and it's got a sea toilet. There's not a great deal of storage space, but it will be enough for us as we start our adventures. At least it will be enough when we have decided what to do with the 8 sails stashed on board. The previous owners used Amneris for racing, so it made sense for them to have a comprehensive sail wardrobe. For us, we can make some space and stay quite comfortable as 2 in the theoretical 5 berth. We like Amneris enough that it was almost love at first sight. But we did take time to go with Jonathan and Nicola for coffee, lunch, and a chat before finally deciding that, yes, we wanted her. We also like Cornwall very much. It will be great to have a boat, our boat, Amneris, in such a nice place. Amneris, Rainbow, and Cornwall. Wonderful. What a day! Stay tuned to know our next step.
the best way, subscribe the channel. Bye!